Hey guys, I got the NuWave Induction Cooktop. That's the titanium version, so it's a much bigger version, higher wattage as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a test. I'm gonna throw a cup of water on it and we'll see how long it takes to boil 1 cup of water. So I'm gonna bring you in close here. And I wanted to use a nice small pot just to give it a fair chance. I don't want to put it like a big heavy cast iron thing on it. So we're gonna put it on its highest setting. So we're gonna do on, it starts at sear, so that's what we'll leave it at. And so I will hit start and start on the stopwatch and we'll see how fast it takes. Now I have the temperature probe on it, so we're gonna go ahead and hit probe. See, it's going at 575. So right now it's at 67 degrees and climbing. I can already see bubbles forming on the bottom of the pan at 15 seconds. Didn't have my probe in there good enough. Now it's at 30 seconds and it's going stronger. So we're at 107 degrees. You can see how fast that's climbing. We're at 50 seconds now. I'm gonna say we're at a slight simmer. We're at 160 degrees at 1 minute. Almost a boil, I'm gonna say. And yeah, I'm gonna say it's a boil. So we're gonna say it, call it a boil at 1 minute 15 seconds. And it is a rolling boil at this point, so 1 minute 20 seconds for sure. So overall, guys, that is so fast. That's crazy. I always find it funny on these, when you turn these off, watch how fast this stops. So turn it off and it's immediately, of course the water is still very hot, but the burner cuts off immediately. 1 cup of water boiling in just 1 minute and 20 seconds. We're at a rolling boil. Overall, guys, 10 out of 10 would recommend. I hope this answered some questions for you, and I'll see you in the next one.